What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be going over a seat cover that I ordered, and I didn't even look at it yet, so you guys are going to get the first look with me. Let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Now this is a custom design, basically. This company, go online, you'll pick up everything you want, and then they design it for you. Alright, comes in a nice little bag. Now I ordered Recaro because everybody's got Bride. Wow, this is really nice. Alright. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at this. Oh. Now this is 3/4 inch, 3/4 cut, I believe they call this, wrap. If you see right here, the Recaro material actually comes down. So that's what a 3/4 cut looks like. See all the stitching here. Full is when this side wraps all the way around and only the design is on the top. And then this is all Alcantara, I think it's called. It's like suede, but it's supposed to be better. It's all the, they put this in all the high-end sports cars. Everything is double stitched in red. Very nice. And I also had them add memory foam. Can't really tell, but you guys won't be able to tell, probably not on camera, but it's got some padding in there. It's supposed to be super easy to install, so we'll do a quick install and then I'll put it back together, put the bike all back together. I took the seat off to save some time because I have a jock strap here, so it's a long process to get this off. I mean, from the videos I saw, these things are relatively easy to install. Just kind of line up the back. Let's see. I'm supposed to pull it kind of backwards. This and stretch it down. Now I probably will end up stapling this, but for right now, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna secure it with the strap string, the drawstring that's underneath. I'll have to see how much I really like it before I permanently install it on the bike too. Pull it all tight. Make sure everything's even. That's pretty good. And you just, drawstring under here, you pull this drawstring, cinch it up. don't know how much you're supposed to pull this drawstring. Yeah, well, that's pretty good. Not bad. I probably will wind up stapling this. But simple as that. Not too shabby. We'll see how it starts wearing with the bike. But yeah, let's put this bike back together and I'll bring it outside and I'll do a walk around for you guys with all the new parts that I have. Alright guys, let me roll this bike outside and then I'll come back and we'll go do a walk around. Alright guys, I got the bike outside. Seats all installed. And give you guys a quick walk around of what's going on here. Looks better in the sun anyway. There's the seat. Pretty nice, I like it. That was $105, so it's well worth the money. If you guys saw in one of my other videos, I installed the NCY drive face and the ankle biter and everything. This is what it looks like complete now. I painted the clutch bell, textured black paint. It came out pretty nice. Go around the whole bike again. Jock strap looks cool, but it's a pain in the butt to take on and off. Carbon fiber. I have to get some more carbon fiber pieces. I really like it. Hiding down there. Alright guys, that'll be a wrap for this video. Appreciate all you watching. If you like what you see, give me subscribe, hit that bell, so every time I post a video you know. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Until next time, peace.